නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු වරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස. Today I will discuss several aspects of anger as elucidated in the Kodana Sutta of Anguttara Nikaya. The Buddha provides a comprehensive examination of anger's destructive nature and its consequences in this discourse. To fully grasp this concept, it is beneficial to relate the teaching from the sermon to your own life. Anger is a powerful emotional response characterized by feeling of displeasure, hostility, or frustration. It often manifests in reaction to perceived threats, injustices, or frustrations. Anger generates negative thoughts and can incite wrongful actions. When anger arises, it disrupts the normal functioning of our entire body and mind, altering our thoughts and behaviors. The manifestation of anger varies among individuals. For someone, anger is fleeting, akin to a line drawn in water, disappearing almost as quickly as it arises. For others, it is more persistent, comparable to a line drawn on earth, lasting for a while before dissipating. In the most extreme cases, anger can be enduring, like a line etched in stone, remaining with the individual for a prolonged period. The Buddha elaborates on the nature of angry person and the harmful consequences that ensue from anger. Anger is a universal experience. An angry individual often harbors ill will towards their enemy, desiring their enemy's misfortune. For instance, an angry person might wish for their enemy's appearance to be discolored, reflecting a desire for their enemy's suffering. This perception persists regardless of enemy's actual appearance or status. Anger causes immense stress, negating any benefits of external appearances or comforts. Moreover, an angry person may wish for their enemy's financial ruin, resenting their enemy's wealth and success. This mindset can lead to harmful actions and the destruction of one's own resources. Similarly, an angry person may wish for their enemy to experience sorrow and lack of sleep, but in reality, these thoughts lead to the angry person's own distress and loss of peace. Anger also leads to a desire for social isolation of the enemy, wishing them to have no friends. This results in the angry person losing their own friends and relatives, as people generally avoid those who are perpetually angry. Additionally, an angry person may hope their enemy is not praised, but this often results in the angry person's own disrepute and loss of respect. The Kodana Sutta further details the physical and psychological effects of anger. An angry person becomes discolored, experiences trembling, sweating, and redness of the eyes, and has an increased heart rate and adrenaline levels. This physiological response disrupts normal body functions, including sleep and digestion, leading to overall poor health and well being. Verbally and physically, an angry person may abuse others, destroys their own possessions, and suffer financial losses. Anger leads to disgrace as the angry person's vices become evident and they lose their support of friends and family. Anger contributes nothing beneficial, it only brings harm, irritates the mind, and destroys its purity. It fosters fear as the person fears retribution for their actions born of anger. The Buddha emphasizes that anger blinds a person to their own benefits and to the Dhamma, resulting in gloomy disposition. Anger facilitates rash actions, which are often regretted once the anger subsides. An angry person may even commit heinous acts, harming others and themselves in extreme cases. To combat anger, the Buddha advises the cultivation of self control, wisdom, and adherence to the right path. Practical steps include refraining from immediate actions or speech when angry, as these are often regrettable. Mindful breathing and walking can help manage anger. Developing persons, loving kindness, and compassion are crucial to mitigating the adverse effects of anger and promoting a more harmonious life. May the Triple Gem bless you.